Hello, my beautiful friends. I have been burned out. Oh, Trisha Clark here with Sparkle Farts Paper Crafts, and I've been burned out on doing big journals because I did so many so quickly. And so I've been playing with little bits, and these couple of little bits are part of the Bee Happy Stationery Shabby Chic kit. And I've been playing, I'm a bit on their design team, and so I've been playing with building some little bits at a time so that I can then build a larger journal after I've got these little bits built up. But just wanted to walk you through a couple of these I was playing with in mass make style, and I've done a couple of these cute little one sheet wonders here. We'll go through first. This is with Bee Happy Stationery's Fungi Foragers kit, and this one is Shabby Chic. The construction is the same, but the decorations are very different. So this one is Fungi Foragers, and you open it up, and then you've got these two little pockets here with little tags. You open both of those up. Isn't this the cutest, the sweetest little folio? And it's only 5 inches by 2.5 inches wide when it's all folded up. So tiny, great to pop into Happy Mail or to give as a card. Cute little gift. But we've got little side pockets here with the little tags. Plenty of writing space on the back. And we've got more little tags here. I just love the little dog and the little foragers. They're just so stinking cute. I'm just obsessed with her little whimsical kits. Then over here, we've got another few tags, but all of these have room for writing on the back. So still plenty of journaling or note-taking space. You could stick a little something in these little tuck spots here, like maybe a little ticket or something. And then we have the side pocket here with a couple more little tags. I kept this one really simple, but it's just so sweet and so cute. I wanted to share it with you with a couple of mushrooms on the back. And so the Shabby Chic one is done the same way, but I've added a little more lace and some stamped fabric. This is just some leftover muslin I had and a stamp. Fold it out, and I turned these, on this one I turned this into little pockets with some little tickets in here. And some more of those stamped fabric squares. And we're going to open this one up. Construction is the same, but instead of side pockets, I did belly bands here, did the fold down and decorated these up a little bit. But again, all of these have room for journaling on the back, and the construction is exactly the same. A couple of labels just to fill in some of that blank space. And then on the back, just another little label. Super cute, super easy. You literally take a piece of paper, a 8.5 by 11, and fold it in half and cut out a couple squares, and everything else is good to go. So maybe I got the one sheet wonder idea from Silver and Sparkles. I'll tag that video below, and I'll tag the link to Bee Happy Stationery. If you're interested in these kits, you can get 30% off with the code that'll be in the comments below. This one was a full page pocket idea. This is 2 pieces of 8.5 by 11 paper, folded lengthwise or hot dog style, and then folded with measurements in order to make these 4 pockets. And then I just decorated, rather than gluing them all together, I left them as fun flip outs where there's some journaling space and some additional decorations, like you see here. These sweet little pictures are from Sweet Pea Curiosities, but all of these papers are from Bee Happy Stationery and their Shabby Chic collection. Within each one of these pockets, it's just a coffee dyed paper with the whale tail tab to give you plenty of writing space. And I think this would be really cute glued down or clipped into a journal page. Let's see if I have one here. Let's say we used, let's say this one. Let's say this was the journal page, and you don't want to cover up this gorgeous deer, but you could put it on this side. And then you have a beautiful page layout with this gorgeous picture. You could put a little label or a tuck or journaling spot up here, but you'd have all your journaling space right here. So just a couple of little things and a quick video to share with you. It's been a while since I've posted. I was on vacation and now just kind of playing catch up. So if you'd like to see a tutorial on any of these, let me know. I got them from watching other videos, but happy to share if that's something you're interested in. So let me know, and I'll see you in the next video.